Hey guys, welcome to Edit Pulse channel. In this video we're gonna see how you can make the magic effect of a glass of water. First, we need to make two videos from the same angle. In the first video, pour water into a glass and record it. In the second video, hold your finger on the phone and record it. Now open the Capcut app. Tap on the New Project option. Add the first video. Select the overlay option from the bottom bar. Then select Add Overlay. Add the second video. Adjust the size of the second video to the size of the first video. According to arrow, we select the second video and select the mask option. Then select horizontal. In this section, a line will appear that you can set in the right place according to the video. The video is ready so easily. Tap on the top right option to save the video. Next, we will learn how to make a colorful and attractive filter for video. Select the filter option from the bottom bar. You can apply the desired filters. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell to support us.